Marcus? No? Here. You gonna help? Yeah, there you go. That sounds about right.
Oh, I was making noise.
That was about right.
Give me this sippy. Okay, I think we have all the bottles. I think that we have. I'm going to leave that bottle brush here so
Here.
we have one here. I have one. I need that one at home.
You wanna play the piano? Yeah, that's how it goes.
Car. Back of our gate to get our gate out of the car. And then after I load that stuff.
There's your mama. She's packing up the car.
Okay, where's the other part of my gate?
I don't know. Uh-oh. Somehow I zoomed in all the way on your face.